Hi everyone, today let's create a glitter text effect in Canva like this example that you are seeing right now. It's me again, Therese, and welcome back to my channel. And if you like this kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order for you to get notified. So we're here in Canva and let's choose a template. That's the first step. You need to choose a template. So I will choose Facebook post, and on the left toolbar go to elements, then search for blob, BLOB. Then you can choose from here. Later you will understand why we need this blob element. Then you can insert text. You can choose a font from here. In my case, I will choose this one. Then let's make it bigger. Then you can now insert text. I will insert be kind. Okay, then change the font color to white. And the next step is to download this image. Let's name this Be Kind Glittery Text. Then download the image. Next step is to add a page and re-upload the image we download. You can just drag it on the new page. And then select the image, then go to top toolbar, edit image, and background remover. So that's why we are using Canva Pro in here, because we need to access the background remover feature. Okay, click on apply. And then go to photos on the left toolbar, search for glitter background. And then here you can choose any color you want to use. Okay, so I want to use this one. Okay, and then you can cover all the text. I want this. Okay, and then you need to position it backward. Go to position on the top toolbar and then backwards. And then here you will notice that the text we write in here, there is already glittery effect. Okay, the next step is to select the blob, go to edit image, and here in adjust, you need to adjust the brightness and contrast to 100. Okay, and then again download the image. So you will notice, guys, that the downloading process and the re-uploading process is repeatedly done in here, but I know for sure you will love the result. And then again add a page, then again re-upload the image. Okay, again we need to remove the background because there's still a background in there, so we need to remove this white background. Okay, select the image and go to edit image and background remover. Click on apply, and voila, this is the finished product, guys. of the glitter text effect here in Canva. Okay, so that's it guys on how you can create a glitter text effect. There is a lot of downloading and re-uploading process, but the result is beautiful. I have a video before guys, it's called text masking in Canva. It's almost similar to this. You can also create a glitter background or a glitter effects on that. The difference is that you cannot use this kind of a font. Okay, you can just use the letter frame. Okay, so if you go in her elements and go to frames, at the bottom you will see the letter frames. Okay, let's say hope. Let's just make it small because the space is not enough. You can do this also using Canva free account. Okay, and then go to photos and you can select a glitter background from here, and then you can drag it in every letter frame. Okay, okay, so if you want to watch the full video about this, I will put the link on the description below. So if you find this video helpful guys, please don't forget to give a like, and you can comment down below any suggestions or any comment you want to comment regarding my video. And always thank you guys for supporting my YouTube channel by watching my videos. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. This will help my YouTube channel grow. And yeah, this is Therese saying stay humble, hustle hard. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.